मैं हूं सिद्धार्थ कनन एक सिटके जरा हटके। जियो तो इनकी तरह, स्माइल करो तो इनकी तरह, अफेक्शन दो तो इनकी तरह, फाइट करो तो इनकी तरह, जो भी करो इनकी तरह, क्योंकि ही इज माय बिग ब्रदर। अरबाज खान के लिए तालियां बजाओ।
Thank you. It's great to be on the show.
अरबाज भाई, I want to tell you यार, 1996 दरार, विलन, बैड गाय। 2017 में अभी भी वैसे 1996 का अरबाज दिख रहे हो भाई।
And good boy.
Good boy.
From bad boy to good guy.
I know man, but tell me, you're looking better than ever यार, really.
Thank you so much. I don't know. I think it's in the genes. Not in my trouser jeans, but in my jeans as in from my father.
I know man, you guys have been blessed यार। काश मैं भी आपकी तरह खूबसूरत होता, मैं इतना बदसूरत हूँ यार।
You're a handsome guy, man. You're all over the place, man. I've been following you. You got a great fan following and a lot of girls like you.
थैंक यू भाई यार, बट नथिंग लाइक यू। आई रिमेंबर दैट सलमान और सोहेल ने कहा था कि यू आर द इटर्नल बर्म्यूडा ट्रायंगल फॉर गर्ल्स यार।
I had my days.
Why, you can still have your days यार, you're looking good, you're doing good films, huh?
And I'm single also at the moment, so I guess I can.
Why not यार?
Yeah, sure.
जब तक ये कहानी निकली, जब आप सिंगल हुए हैं, have girls started treating you differently, like in airport में कोई बोल रहा है, अरबाज, what's your number baby?
Yeah, I'm getting quite a lot of that now.
Yeah? And enjoying it?
No, I'm joking. In a way, I mean to say it's been tough, okay? Because, coming from a scenario of being together for such a long time and right now probably living a life single, it's like it's not been so easy. But it's one has to move on and one has to take it in his stride, yeah, so it's okay.
No, but what I think really like is जब मैं सोशल मीडिया में देखता हूँ, आप लोग अभी भी फैमिली डिनर्स करते हो and all that. That's beautiful, yeah, brother. I think that's very inspiring for people.
Yeah, because we have a child together, and obviously we've got parenting duties, and we've got to have a certain amount of communication, irrespective of the fact that we are not together, and that will always remain because there's so much of love and respect still for each other that we may go our separate ways, but our lives are still connected in many ways, and our families are very close, and her side of the family still dotes on me and loves me, and that will never change no matter what the circumstance. So that's great.
और एक चीज बोलो, एवरीवन विल लव यू यार भाई। मानो आप मिलते ही हो तो क्यूट स्माइल देते हो। यू नो व्हाट आई लाइक अबाउट यू, मुझे जेन्युइनली लगता है, आई थिंक यू आर अ वेरी भोलू सीधा गाय। इज दैट अ परसेप्शन और यू जेन्युइनली लाइक दैट?
No, to some extent I'm quite like what you said. I am a little gullible and vulnerable at times, and I think that kind of comes across, yeah.
But really, man, because I've seen it, yeah, when I see you now, I know there's this naughty chap who cracks jokes, but deep down मुझे लगता है बड़ा सेंटी किस्म का इंसान है यार ये, हाँ?
Yes, to some extent you're right. I think I am quite emotional and sensitive about a lot of things, and particularly about the people who are in my life, and my friends, my family, and whatever happens or transpires in their life also affects me, not necessarily what happens in my life. So I kind of react to those scenarios.
यार जब मेरी बीवी मुझे मारती है, आप उसके बारे में कुछ क्यों नहीं करते हो? उसमें तो आप रिएक्ट करते ही नहीं हो।
बीवी आपकी मारती है आपको?
बहुत बुरी तरह मारती है यार।
तो यार ये मैंने एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया है, बट शायद अपनी कभी लाइफ में करना पड़ेगा।
तो बीवी को तो कुछ तो बोलो कि मुझे कम मारे यार। बहुत से बीवियां मारते हैं अपने पति को यार।
उसका मुझे लगता है कि आपकी हरकतें कुछ ऐसी हैं कि आप वो डिजर्व करते हैं, शायद इस वजह से।
आपको लगता है मैं ऐसे हरकतें कर सकता हूं?
I read an article that we are number 3 in husband beating. India. Yeah, women, we are number 3 in the world of women beating their husbands. I don't know whether it's true. I read an article.
Can I tell you, I have contributed a lot to that, sir.
Yeah, so because your wife beats you up, so I guess the ratio must be quite a lot.
आप तो कभी मार नहीं खाए ना?
नहीं, अभी तक नहीं खाया मैंने मार. Thank God.
God bless you, brother. May you always be like this.
Yeah, thank you so much.
But you know what? मुझे लगता है अरबाज खान hasn't got his due as an actor. When I've seen you in Darar, you are phenomenal. Freaky Ali, your comic timing is out of this world. Even in this, जो promos देखे, and I really mean it. I don't need to flatter you. When do you think Arbaaz is going to get his due? Because you are an outstanding actor.
I think sometimes I feel that maybe I've got more than I deserve, So I consider myself a director's actor. Whenever there's a role that suits me, I have managed to deliver, whether it was Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya, or whether it was Fashion, or Maa Tujhe Salam, or something like Malamal Weekly, or even Dabang, I played Makki's character. So, I have had my share of good films, good roles, and the roles that have gone down well with the audience. and at the same time I've also been part of not such interesting characters that I've played which have not gone down well. So I've had a checkered career. So nothing really took me to sky high, those heights, and nothing took me really down. So I've always been around. But you're right, there still is that actor hunger to be that actor that reaches a larger audience, or has that, people like me, they cast me. I've been around for 20 years. If I wasn't somebody that people thought I could be cast, then maybe I wouldn't have been cast, because nobody really cast you just because, oh, we want you. They feel that, okay, he suits the character. So I think I'm pretty okay. I don't know. I don't think that I've reached the pinnacle of my career as far as acting is concerned. I have probably, got far more success and respect as a film producer and as a director, and not achieved that as an actor. But I think there's still a long way.
और ये जो पैसे आपने कमाए हैं एज अ फिल्म प्रोड्यूसर, सब कभी बांटते भी हैं दोस्तों के साथ, जो बोरोड कपड़े पहन के हैं, बोरोड चड्डी पहन के आते हैं, उनको भी कुछ दे दिया करो सर, आप कल्याण कर सकते हो.
मैंने काफी कुछ बांटा है, डोंट वरी, आई हैव बांटेड क्वाइट अ लॉट.
क्या बांटा है आपने? यू साउंडिंग लाइक रंजीत एंड प्रेम चोपड़ा राइट नाउ.
मैंने बहुत प्यार बांटा है.
But you know what? I think the journey has been incredible. जब आप 1996 to 2017, 21 years batting non-stop is hats off, yeah. Have there been struggling moments where you said, यार मैं अब inspire हो गया, I'm glad this struggle had it because that's made me stronger?
See, what the point that you had mentioned earlier, that, I never got my due as an actor. Not that I have any complaints. It's just that I didn't reach where I should have reached. I could be considered as somebody who also ran, not in, like in the top 5 or top 10. So even when I came in as an actor, I was always there in the periphery. I never really made it to the top 10 actors of the country, or the most sought after actors. I got my work, but somewhere I was not very happy with it. Like I just, I had to wait for my next role. I had to wait for my next good film or for my next character. And though the struggle was on and the hard work was on, but I never got that due. Then I had it in my mind that, I don't want to be an also ran. I want to do something that I feel that I'm worthy of and excel, even if it means in another profession like producing or directing in the same line, but maybe changing my line of work. So I said, even if it means that I have to turn producer or director or even, distributor or something that makes my name, I need to do that, writer. And I had kept my eyes open and, my senses open, that whenever I get an opportunity, I will take that on. And, fortunately for me, the first time I had a project to be made, it was Dabangg. And, I never got my due in terms of recognition as an actor as much, I would say. Though people recognize me as an actor, but, the kind of recognition of the respect that I got as a film producer and later as a film producer director, I think I was destined to get my due somewhere else, and I got it,
भैया आपको ड्यू मिलेगा भाई. आप अभी भैया 21 साल में अभी भी चौके छक्के मार रहे हो, हाँ. सो इट्स स्टिल अ न्यू जर्नी मैन, एंड नाउ यू लाइक अ बैचलर बॉय ऑल्सो. तो माने और खेल रहे हो इस वक्त आप, हाँ. ऑल यंग एक्ट्रेसेस मस्ट बी कमिंग सेइंग, अरबाज भाई come with me for dinner winner. ये तो होता होगा, थोड़ा तो होता होगा.
Yeah, why not? I mean, to say this is my time, to I would look afresh with a lot of, different approach towards life. Some of it I enjoy, some of it I still feel like, maybe it's too late in the day to do all of this, but it's okay.
There's nothing too late. If you look like a 20-year-old, what is too late, sir? मैं तो चाहता हूँ लोग मेरे साथ फील्डिंग करें. कोई मेरे साथ फील्डिंग करता नहीं है.
I have a growing up boy. I don't want to be dating at the same time that he dates.
And you don't want his girlfriends to have a crush on you, यार.
Yeah, maybe like that, yeah.
ऐसा कभी हुआ है when his girlfriend must have come and said,
he's 14, yeah, come on.
But you can still, young girls can have a crush on someone who's older, yeah.
I'm just enjoying the kind of attention that he's getting, now. He's at that age where, he's getting the attention from the opposite sex, and which is amazing, like he goes out when I like, and I know okay, he likes somebody or some girl likes him, so it's pretty interesting. Watching him grow is lovely.
तो वो आपसे confide करता है कि पापा यार ये लड़की है, tips दो and all?
No, he does confide. I've been a very open in terms of that. Whatever he does, he discusses it more with his parents than, with his friends or whatever, because we are there to guide him. Even if he gets into, I'm just saying, even if he wants to do something that children are not supposed to do, we could help guide him. Like, we definitely educate him on a lot about the do's and don'ts. But tomorrow, whether it's smoking or drinking, I'm like, we should be the first to know. So he doesn't want to do it. He's very clear about that. He's very health conscious. He's very much into sports, and which is very great. And he's got good company, good friends. So, but he has been told that anything, don't be embarrassed. Don't think that, oh, I'm doing a wrong thing, so I cannot discuss with my parents. Discuss it. It's okay. We are not going to disown you, or we're not going to like love you any less. You just be open, and we will help you, guide you, and probably if we have to accept whatever there is, we will.
क्या बात है सर. इसलिए तो मैं जब भी किसी को पटाने की कोशिश करता हूँ मैं आपसे एडवाइस लेता हूँ. वो पटती नहीं है पर आई एम ऑलवेज देयर टू टेक एडवाइस फ्रॉम यू सर.
Are you trying to say that my advice doesn't work?
No यार, his advice always works, but I have to pretend it doesn't work यार, क्योंकि ये फुटेज मुझे वहाँ पहुँचेगा हाई कोर्ट के पास तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है.
Okay, yeah. Okay, great.